Alright, so for this one, I should really be wearing gloves, but I'm not because that's nerd shit. I've got potassium permanganate, those really cool looking crystals that make water purple, and glycerol, which is, I don't know, it's a mild laxative and a moisturizer. And then this is just more water. So I would say we could measure this one with a thermometer, but we don't really need to. We know it's an exothermic reaction, and you'll see why. I might have to step away from this one just because it produces a lot of carbon dioxide. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of potassium permanganate down on this aluminium foil. I'll do yeah, that should be. It's more than I usually. Well, actually, is that more? Don't want it to stain my fingers. I can probably add a tad more. Can always get more of it. It's $12. I'm just gonna grind it up a bit with my finger. You can see it's got those solid chunks sometimes, which is just annoying. More than anything, it's not dangerous. So this is sometimes used to start campfires, interestingly. It's quite a violent reaction to use while camping, but I'm not one to judge. I'm just gonna wipe that down. You can see there's already some water on here, it's turned purple immediately. And I'm just gonna get some water because interestingly, water speeds up this reaction rather than slow it down because of the coldness of it or something like that. And now I'm just gonna add a small bit of glycerol to it. Into that little indent I made in the middle. Now usually, I'm quite comfortable right now because it takes about 30 seconds to get going, but I'm just going to speed that up with some water and then step away. So just a drop or two, 4, and then that should speed up. I can see there's some bubbles there. There we go. And that should catch fire. Quite a fun reaction. I'll just cool it down with some water. Quite fun. So all that gas you would have seen was all carbon dioxide. That's the reason I didn't want to stand too close to that, because I don't feel like getting carbon dioxide poisoning. And yeah, and then get left with this mess, which I usually just wait for the cool and then chuck out.